All right, I got a lot of requests to make a video on DGLY. Digital Alley Inc. As you can see, they had a nice drop down here. This one's very interesting. I'm like kind of iffy on it, but I'll show you guys what I like about this and then the pros and cons. So price had a big drop from 14 cents and it's all the way down to 7. That is like it lost half, half its value right there, right? So the first thing I notice is price is close to this lower Keltner channel. When price does get there, you tend to see the biggest bounces, okay? And we look at the news, right? They announced the closing of that 15 million underwritten public offering, which is very nice a day ago, and that's what's going to cause this drop. And I highly recommend. I see that there's lots of volume down in even up in here, which is actually nice. That there was, volume before this even drop happened. So a lot of people probably got into this, and I just highly encourage people to if you're playing downtrending stocks, which EMA 20 is at the top here, and if there's not much room to this EMA 5, do not try to play it. To me, it's just not worth it because the first resistance is this EMA 5. If you got down in here, you made decent money, 16%. But to me, this is just too risky as price is literally almost touching this EMA 5. But with this strategy, that since it has not touched the EMA 5, it makes it really nice because now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 daily candles not touching the EMA 5. This is really nice. So now, not only have we have not touched the EMA 5 in 6 daily candles, we know reversion to the mean is going to happen. You've probably seen lots of my videos. If you've been in the Discord, you've seen countless of times of how much money we are making doing this simple tactic. Now, not everything's perfect and it's going to work all the time. That's why we always have risk management, stop loss, and everything. But we've made lots of money doing this. If you watch the swing trade alerts, we made money on DATs, we made money on VLCN, Icon, Hollow made good money. And this is all in a week. We probably, a lot of this, close to 100% gains just on these base hits that I tell people to do. Actually, way over more because CYN we took and I got that at 5 cents doing this exact strategy. So I don't care, honestly, for small caps. I don't care what their fundamentals are or anything because that doesn't mean anything, right? I know for a fact, after much backtest, after doing this strategy for a very long time, even years, that I know if price comes to this lower Keltner channel, we have time distance from the EMA 5, and this kind of looks kind of like DGLY, where you see how we had this gap down? It takes longer to touch this EMA 5. I would not expect CYN to hurry up and touch it. Usually we get a little delay. And from this entry here at 5 cents, we went all the way up to 20 cents, making a 407% run. And this is the kind of the stuff that you will see. DGLY, I'll tell you guys exactly what I'm planning on doing. Me personally, I'm going to give it some time distance because I've seen it too many times. Gap right here, it takes longer to touch the EMA 5. So basically what happens when you buy the first candle down, I see this happen a lot. Everyone sees DGLY is down 43%. Maybe they catch it all the way throughout here. I always tell everyone, if you buy it at the end of the day, you wait till you have proper time distance, you have a low K value, and you're close to this lower Keltner channel, you cannot go wrong. You are going to win an insane win ratio doing this. I have yet to lose on a small cap stock doing this strategy, and I lost one time back in 2024, and because I did not do this strategy to the full ability. All right. And then I lost another time, I think, because way back, because they were delisting news. Never play that kind of stuff. But this strategy works a lot. You can ask the members in the Discord. This is literally the strategy where I give you guys entries and exits. DGLY is not at my top thing for a reversal yet. I'm in another stock that is. So what I like to say is, it's not like DGLY is bad, right? If you go to the EMA 5 right now, you're up 58%. Very nice returns. That's literally insane. Just 10% is the targets, right? If you guys want higher targets, you're going to have a bigger loss ratio compared to your wins. So I like to be very conservative because every small cap stock that's downtrending, which DGLY has, you can see that every bounce is what? They come to the 10 just to go what? Make newer lows. And you're going to see this happen often or not. And when you see these, and when you see charts and charts and charts and charts, you're not going to have that FOMO and be like, yeah, I want more gains than that. We see EMA 20 will get hit eventually. We don't know when. We don't care. as we just want to know what's extreme. And we see this, I would not have played this, but as you can see, price moves in a formal way. It does help to have more volume too. More volume, less manipulation. DGLY has over 69 million volume today. It had 117 million volume due to that big drop. So a lot of the things I look for is the K value. Right now we're at 12 here, and then right here is 9. Anything under 10 it has to be under 10 for me even to consider it. Realistically, I liked under 5. But I can't deny the fact that we did not touch this EMA 5. So that does help the system a little bit, as we could touch this EMA 5. Anything that don't touch it in 7 daily candles this long, we have to take advantage of this gap. So I say this will touch the EMA 5 in roughly 10 to 11 days, in my opinion. I can't give you an exact number because everything's going to be estimate, but this is what I use to catch bottom reversals. I caught CYN and BRX is the same kind of analysis. What happened, right? We had that time distance from the 5. We had that lower band touch, and this thing went up massive. And these are the kind of the plays that I like to catch using this system. One, you don't need to know the fundamentals. You don't need to know, unless it's anything that's not extreme, right? Offering. This happens all the time. Small caps need it. They need the money. This is not something that really I'm like, this is the norm in this sector. All these stocks are usually downtrends, right? You make 20 and 50s at the top, and you can see they're all pumps and dumps, pumps and dumps. And so we're just trying to trade these quick bounces because these quick bounces make you really good money. So that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to figure out where are we going to get this dead cat bounce that can give us that 38%, right? Or, in this case, you go up 65% from the lows to the CMA 5. So that's what I'm going to do here. Me personally, I'm going to give it a couple more days, all right? Price is pretty close to this lower counter channel. It's not touching it. It's getting pretty close, so I like that. I'm going to wait for that K value to get a little lower. And since we have this gap down, I never buy the first day on a gap down or the second. I give it a couple days, all right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I would give this around the 8th or 9th day a buying opportunity, see where that K is, see where the CMA 5 is, and we're going to get in. We're going to let the retail traders get in first, let them understand, like, hey, just because the price drops down 43% does not mean it is a discount. And this could go lower and lower. We saw with CYN and GOL, I continued countless of tickers where, it kept going down and down and down. And then where we look to get in is when price either consolidates, we have this massive EMA 5 time distance, and lower K values. As you can see, what were the K values down in this region? 5.5, 5.19. What were they in this region? 13, 9, 6. So you can see where the buying opportunities were, and this is just a monster move up. You cannot predict that. Always take the gains and trail and stop your loss. All right. So DGLY is definitely on my high watch list for next week. I'm gonna tell you guys when I get in. If you guys want to join the Discord, you're gonna love it. You're gonna see all of the constant updates. This system has been really nice. It's been getting updated constantly, and people love it. You can read the testimonies. A lot of people come in. A lot of people, thank me, and I get some people saying, you need to charge more. A lot of other, and I get it, a lot of other Discords have been charging $50, $100, and that's but the purpose of this Discord is for education, right? I want to give you guys education, and I understand that not a lot of people can look at the charts full time like I do. I do this full time, so I am willing to give alerts out just for, not so you can just copy trade me. I want you guys to understand, if you copy trade me, you'll probably lose because you're not going to understand what the heck I'm talking about. You didn't watch any of the videos. For this premium, for this month of February and some of March, coming into March, I'm going to have to up the price because I want some serious people in here. But if you guys just want to try this out for a lifetime discount, you're going to get it all for $12 a month. It will never go up in price. I guarantee you that. And if it doesn't work out, cancel anytime. But I do know this. I'm going to leave you guys with, one, how to trade, how to use a system that works. And if I am a full-time trader doing this exact system, why would you not know that this thing works? It works. I'm telling you. The whole last week, I made over 100% returns just doing base hits like this. And they're not risky. I'm playing very conservative on waiting for this system to present. And there, you don't have to go in all these news sec filings because you know the chart tells the story. That if I'm looking for oversold type of patterns, this is what I look for. I have another strategy of looking for uptrend plays, and it's one of my most favorite strategies too. But if you want to join the Discord, click the link down below in the YouTube comments below, and in the description, it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to become a member, read how to subscribe. It'll tell you how to do that and everything. But basically, all you have to do is hit day trade alerts or click this channel over here, and all these will be locked unless you subscribe. If you subscribe, guess this, 12 bucks a month. It will never go up in price. And if you subscribe, do it on your computer to avoid the iOS fee. All right. If you have an Android, you will have to do it on your computer to subscribe. You guys going to see lots of stuff in here. Day trade chat, day trading education, swing trade alerts, live streams, one-on-one coaching if you ever need it, and a whole community. You guys are going to love it. Don't miss out on this deal, all right? I'm planning on upping it, but if you guys really love it and stick around, I'm going to award you guys where your price will never go up in price, all right? So for the people who are loyal, you get a lifetime discount, and you get an awesome community where one of these trades alone will probably give you like 5 years worth of a membership if you just took my CYN, Icon, a lot of these good trades that were pumping, and they're all posted in the swing trade alerts. You can't miss out. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you want to join the premium Discord, you know what to do. I love to have everyone treat you guys like family here and want to make some money. DGLY, I'll be watching this next week. Let the new traders get in, and then the experienced traders, we're going to get in at the rock bottom, and we're going to pump this up. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.